Yeah, hello and welcome to another quick update about ADA. Yeah, so far working out yesterday, there was no reason to panic. We moved up, yes, but eventually, so far, at least at the moment, only made a lower high in this wave 2. Originally, I thought the wave 2 would have been finished here. In the end, all we had to do is just to extend it out a little bit, which means it was never finished. But we now have indication that the wave 2 was finished. No final confirmation yet. We would only get this final confirmation below here. This is at 53.7 cents. If we make it in that move down here now below that purple wave 1, it is a very strong indication that we have peaked here in the wave 2. But again, I showed you yesterday this target area for this wave 2. Again, we came into it and we got rejected. So for now, this is all fine. What was this target area based on? This target area was based on the Fibonacci retracements of the wave 1 here into what is most likely for a wave 2. Actually, I put it between the 61.8% Fib level and the 88.7% Fib level in this case. So it was very likely for that wave 2 to get into the area between 63 cents and 67.1. It was reached, so a strong reaction. That is always a good indication when you have a strong reaction to a target area. It is a strong reaction. It's going to go to the other side. And yeah, what are we looking here at the moment? So in terms of the higher or smaller level wave count in here, as you can see already indicated from the last few videos, I do expect now to start this wave 3 in purple. What I'm waiting for now is it really to kick off. Yeah. So what we're looking at here at the moment though is that we have seen here probably already the wave 1 of this move down. Try to label it out in a little bit more detail. So the wave 1 of that move down, then the wave 2 here to the upside, and that we are probably now in the wave 3. So the wave 3 is definitely not finished yet. There will be a wave 3 of a wave 3. And we can take a look in a minute where that will go, and then a wave 4 of a wave 3. And then a wave 5 of the wave 3. What we need to see if this 5 wave move here in pink, is going to finalize and finish off that purple wave 3, or if there will be another layer of waves I have to put in, which means that this in pink will only finish off the first wave of the wave 3 in purple. That is what I don't know yet. That is what I currently think for Bitcoin is going to materialize, but I don't know yet how it's going to look like here for ADA. It depends on how strong that wave 3 of 3, the pink wave 3 is now coming down. Where would that go ideally? So the wave 3 would be ideally at least the 1.618 Fibonacci extension of the wave 1, and that would go here. Let me just make that accurate. So that should take us here to 53.3 cents, and you can see that it's very relevant, that level, because it is also very close to the lows, the previous swing lows here. So there will most likely be support around the 53.5 cent area, plus minus, whatever, a few fractions of a cent. But this will be relevant. So this area around 53.5 cents. So I would now expect, as we have started that decline, to definitely hit that area, 53.5 cents. That would be my view. From there, I would expect a little bit of support. And this would also where I would expect currently that pink wave 3 to finish. Then we're going to see a wave 4 to the upside and a wave 5 down. Now, all of that could play out today. Let's see how many of those wave moves we already see today. And then this could, however, and this is what we need to look at then, this could then only finish off the wave 1 of the wave 3. That makes sense. So we might have to introduce another layer of waves. This is, so far then playing out. I still at the moment see this as the wave 2, but confirmation that the wave 2 has ended will really only be there below 53.7 cents. And then we would be on the way down here. This is currently my primary expectation. Should we not go below that 53.7 cents and maybe even turn around and make a higher high compared to the wave 2, it is worth double checking if either the wave 2 hasn't finished yet, or we're in fact doing something different here. And we might then, in that case, max out the wave 4 target area, which will go all the way up to 73 cents. And only if we go above that, I would consider something different, something more bullish. But at the moment, everything that's happening here, for me, looks still very corrective, which means in the end, what we're doing here in that wave 4 in white is just a correction. And at the moment, I think the wave 4 was finished up here. Yeah, at that wave C high is just a correction, and that this correction might have finished already, and that we are now coming down in an impulsive move down in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move, which would, in my opinion, in terms of what I can see at the moment, end somewhere in the low 30s. And in the last few days, I see a lot of comments around the Vasil hard fork. Of course, I'm aware about the Vasil hard fork. We covered it on Sunday in the member live stream, but a hard fork is not guaranteed to give us a run. Yeah, it is not guaranteed. It wasn't guaranteed to get 100k Bitcoin end of the year, that everybody expected. Yeah, we didn't on this channel, but everybody expected that. It didn't happen. Now everybody expects a run to the upside before the Vasil hard fork. Be aware, we had a run to the upside during the last 3 hard forks, and if you have it again, everybody expects it. It sometimes isn't going to play out. Yeah. We still have to look at it and certainly have it on the radar that there might be a run to the upside, but it's definitely not guaranteed to run up. And also bear in mind the importance of the Vasil hard fork. Don't get me wrong, it is important, but it is, in my opinion, not as big of a deal as the Alonso hard fork was. It is not such a major event. Yeah, it is all about optimizing the blockchain. It is not about making suddenly smart contracts live on the blockchain. It is not a super big deal, and we are also in quite a bearish market environment still. So be aware that there is no guarantee that the Vasil hard fork is going to pump. I know everybody's saying it. Every influencer is like, oh, the Vasil hard fork and everything. In the end, it's just an improvement of the blockchain. It is not a super big deal after which the blockchain would suddenly get so many more users. Yeah, certainly it will increase it, and it's more of a long-term deal, and it will help a lot of projects and transactions, make them cheaper and so on. But it's not a super big deal. It's not like the Ethereum merge. Don't get me wrong, it is not. And there will be another hard fork this year for Cardano. So if this one doesn't give us the run that everybody expects, maybe it will be the next one. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.